Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best jig heads is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any crappie angler, as they are the direct link between your lure and the fish, and the right jig head can make all the difference in enticing those finicky crappie to bite. Choosing the perfect jig head involves understanding the nuances of weight, hook size, and head shape, all of which play a significant role in how your bait behaves in the water and how effectively you can present it to the target species. With countless options available, from underspins to football heads, selecting the ideal jig head requires careful consideration of fishing conditions and crappie behavior to maximize your success on the water. Number 5. Fly Tying Sickle Jig Heads. Introducing our premium Sickle jig heads, designed for the discerning fly tyer. Experience unparalleled sharpness and a secure hold for your catches. Equipped with super sharp Temorah sickle hooks, these jig heads ensure your fish stay hooked. The unique upbend design provides maximum holding power, preventing premature escapes. Specifically engineered for crappie fishing, the round head style prevents them from easily spitting out the jig. Enjoy a more successful and rewarding fishing experience. Available in a range of small and extra small sizes, perfect for various fly tying patterns. Choose from multiple weights and hook sizes to match your specific needs. These jig heads are ideal for creating intricate fly patterns. Their compact size and sharp hooks offer the precision you need for effective fly fishing. Each pack contains 50 jig heads, offering excellent value and consistent quality. Elevate your fly tying game with these exceptional components. What we like. These are designed with a unique upbend and super sharp sickle hooks for maximum holding power. Crappies will stay hooked and can't easily spit them out. If you are into fly tying and need small, specialized jig heads for intricate patterns, these are the perfect choice. What people say. These jig heads are perfectly balanced for a natural presentation, ensuring your bait stays in the strike zone longer. The sharp, durable hook penetrates quickly and holds fish securely, reducing the chance of lost catches. The streamlined head design cuts through the water efficiently, allowing for precise casting and retrieval even in current. Number 4. Skylety 15 PCS Fishing Jig Heads Kit. Get everything you need for your next fishing trip with this comprehensive kit. It includes 15 high-quality jig heads and a convenient plastic storage box. This kit comes in a compact, divided plastic box, perfect for keeping your jig heads organized and easily accessible. Its portable size fits right into your tackle bag. Featuring big, bright eyes and a rotating leaf blade, these jig heads create an enticing flash in the water. This design is sure to attract more fish to your line. Crafted from durable metal, these jig heads are built to last in both saltwater and freshwater. The sharp, pointed tip ensures excellent penetration for effective fish catching. With a pointed tip for easy bait insertion and a barb to secure your lure, these are simple to use for everyone. Both beginners and experienced anglers will find them effective. What we like. These feature a rotating leaf blade and big bright eyes to attract fish with flash and movement. They are also designed for easy insertion of soft plastic baits and come with a convenient divided plastic box. If you want a jig head that adds extra attraction with a spinner and comes in a handy organized case, this kit is for you. What people say. These jig heads are perfectly balanced for a natural bait presentation, ensuring a lifelike action that attracts crappie. The sharp, strong hooks included with these jig heads provide excellent penetration and hold, minimizing lost fish. The paint finish on these jig heads is durable and chip resistant, maintaining their appearance even after multiple catches. Number 3. Skylety 60 PCS Fishing Jig Heads. Get a generous pack of 60 jig heads in 5 vibrant colors. This ample supply ensures you're always ready for your next fishing trip, and they come conveniently packed in a carrying case. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these hooks are designed for longevity. They are robust and resistant to deformation, promising reliable performance trip after trip. Remember to poke the eyelets before use. Experience enhanced fishing success with finely polished, pointed tips. This design ensures better penetration, significantly increasing your chances of landing those big catches. Attract more fish with a variety of eye-catching colors and lifelike, simulated fish eyes. These vivid details make them irresistible to underwater prey. Whether in freshwater or saltwater, these jig heads are your go-to lure. They are perfect for catching a wide range of fish, including bass, trout, and salmon. What we like. You get a generous quantity of 60 jig heads in 5 vibrant colors, each with vivid, lifelike simulation fish eyes. They are made of durable stainless steel with finely polished tips for better penetration. If you need a large supply of colorful, eye-catching jig heads for various freshwater and saltwater fishing, this is an excellent value option. What people say. These jig heads are perfectly balanced for a natural bait presentation. The sharp hook penetrates easily and holds fish securely. The paint finish is durable and resists chipping, even after multiple catches. Number 2. Temorah Sickle Jig Heads. Introducing our premium jig heads, designed for serious anglers. Experience unparalleled sharpness and reliability with every cast. Equipped with ultra-sharp Temorah sickle hooks, these jig heads ensure a quick and secure hook set. Say goodbye to missed bites and lost fish. Crafted for durability and performance, our jig heads are your go-to choice for any fishing adventure. They are built to withstand the toughest conditions. The unique sickle shape of the hook provides superior hooking power, keeping fish pinned. You'll feel the difference from the first tug. Elevate your fishing game with these exceptional jig heads. They offer the perfect combination of sharpness and strength for a successful day on the water. What we like. These jig heads are equipped with super sharp Temorah sickle hooks. This ensures a strong and secure hook set, minimizing the chance of losing your catch. If your priority is a reliable, sharp hook that guarantees a solid connection, these are a straightforward and effective choice. What people say. These jig heads are perfect for crappie fishing. They have a sharp hook that penetrates well and the paint stays on even after multiple fish. The weed guard on these jig heads is surprisingly effective. I've had very few snags while fishing in heavy cover. The size and weight of these jig heads are ideal for casting and retrieving, making them easy to use for both beginners and experienced anglers. Number 1. Xfishman Crappie Jig Heads Underspin Spinner Blade Kit. Introducing our innovative jig heads with an oversized eye. This unique design creates an irresistible flash and thump, perfect for attracting even the most hesitant fish. These jig heads are specifically designed for crappie fishing. Their bright, eye-catching colors are irresistible to crappies, significantly boosting your success rate on the water. Equipped with laser-sharp hooks featuring a unique bend, these ensure a powerful hook set. You can confidently reel in your catch without the fear of losing it. Ideal for catching a variety of small predator fish, these are simple to use for anglers of any experience level. They are an excellent addition to any fishing gear collection. Choose from a range of weight options, including 1/8, 1/16, and 1/32 ounces. Available in 5 vibrant colors to match any fishing condition. Enhance your lure's action with the included Underspin spinner blade. This adds extra flash and vibration, further enticing fish to strike. What we like. This kit boasts an oversized eye jig head designed to produce great flash and thump, enticing even lethargic fish. The laser-sharp hooks with a unique bend maximize hook set power. If you're looking for a jig head specifically designed for crappie fishing that offers both visual and auditory attraction, this is a great option to increase your success rate. What people say. These jig heads are perfectly balanced for a natural bait presentation. The sharp hook penetrates easily and holds fish securely. The paint finish is durable and resists chipping, even after multiple catches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.